Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox you have been kicked. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox you have been kicked, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list of apps, you will enter to this app of Roblox. Here we go to click for stop. Then we'll enter to storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn on your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.